Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be demonstrating RepliQ, the best cold email outreach software. Let's get started. So, you're likely doing cold outreach, but facing issues with low deliverability and low response rates. These are common challenges in the market today, and that's exactly why you need RepliQ, the AI writer. This tool can create fully personalized and unique emails, not just generic icebreakers, but ones tailored specifically for each lead. If you've used similar tools before, you know the output often feels robotic and lacks a personal touch. However, what sets RepliQ apart is its ability to analyze both the text and website. This lets us craft emails that truly resonate with your audience. First, sign up to RepliQ using the link provided in the description below. You can create a new account or simply sign up using your Google account. Once you are in, this is what you'll see when you access the RepliQ dashboard. Today, we're focusing on the full unique emails and icebreakers feature, which customizes your outreach at scale. Once inside, you can either manually enter your website or let RepliQ fetch the information and generate a unique selling proposition, USP, for you. In step 1, all you need to do is enter your website's URL and RepliQ will generate your USP here. Now let's move on to step 2. There are a few options available. You can manually write your email prompt or use pre-tested prompts. These have been proven to work with real prospects. It offers 4 prompt options: 2 full email prompts, a personalized one-liner icebreaker, and a postscript for follow-up emails. These prompts were tested both by our agency and beta users before launch. Before generating a full list of emails, you can input a single prospect to see an example. It selects one, look at their website, and craft an email based on something visual we observe on the site. For example, we copy the link to Pinterest website and paste it here. Now you can see it'll generate a personalized one-liner icebreaker. This reads, "I know you're tired of automated emails, so to prove to you this email is not, I can tell you that I love the vibrant and mouth-watering food photography showcased behind the sign-up form on your landing page." Now let's try full email personalization question. This reads as, "Hey Guillaume, I went to the website and I observed the vibrant and mouth-watering food visuals." This really draws users in effectively. Having said that, I was wondering how Crypto Banana ensures clarity in communicating its services, as the specific value proposition isn't immediately clear from the screenshot provided. These emails are fully automated but customized in a way that's difficult for email providers to flag as spam. Older techniques, like changing just the name of company, no longer suffice. Let's look at another example. This time, a full email reason problem says, "Saw that your website heavily relies on engaging quizzes and games to drive user interaction." Usually, that means you might be facing challenges in keeping user engagement consistently high and converting this traffic into loyal customers. We helped a similar platform increase user retention by 30% through personalized engagement strategies. Now try full email personalization question that says, "I went to the website and I observed the word of the day prominently displayed in the center." This is an engaging way to keep users coming back daily. Having said that, I was wondering how you plan to clearly convey Crypto Banana's unique selling proposition to visitors. Without a distinct USP, it might be challenging to retain interest. Now, try a personalized one-liner icebreaker that says, "I know you are tired of automated emails, so to prove to you this email is not, I can tell you that I love how the Time Traveler feature lets users explore words from specific years with such an engaging design." Now finally, give PS a try that says, "I really like the intuitive design of the Browse the Dictionary section with alphabet buttons." Now let's try one more website. Its PS says, "I really like how the Did You Know section adds an engaging and educational touch to your homepage." Going to personalized one-liner icebreaker that says, "I know you are tired of automated emails, so to prove to you this email is not, I can tell you that I love how the Did You Know section on your landing page gives intriguing facts with links for deeper exploration." Now, try full email personalization question that says, I went to the website and I observed the detailed categorized sections like from today's featured article and in the news. This structure ensures users can quickly find what interests them. Having said that, I was wondering how users might struggle to understand CryptoBanana's USP due to the lack of clear messaging on your site. Curious to learn more about your approach to resolving this? Now finally, try full email reason problem that says, saw that your homepage lacks a clear USP, which could confuse visitors about CryptoBanana's offerings. Usually, that means potential customers might leave without understanding your value. We helped client increase their conversion rates by 40% with a clear messaging strategy. Would it help if we shared insights on crafting a more compelling USP? We tested these prompts across different campaigns, and they consistently performed well. When you're happy with a prompt, you can move on to the next step. Upload your prospect list, or you can go with RepliQ example. It's that simple. Once your file is processed, you'll see your emails listed. You can preview the text and make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps, your emails will not only be hard to detect as automated, but will also see higher response rates because the content is directly tailored to each prospect. Let's return to the dashboard. You'll notice an option labeled Personalized Image adapted to each of your prospects. Click on that. Once you do, you'll be presented with two options. I'll choose GPT Prompt Screenshots. Here, you'll select a template, customize it to your needs, and then click Next. At this point, you can either import a file or use a RepliQ example. Once done, click Next again. Now, choose your desired mode and hit Start Image Creation. Keep in mind, image generation may take a few moments, so please be patient. Once it's ready, click on Preview to view the image RepliQ has created for you. You can easily personalize a video to include in your email. Just follow these steps. First, click on the video option from your dashboard. Then, choose a background for your video. Then, upload your desired file. Now, select the lead information you'd like to include. Then, customize your video using the various options available. Once you're ready, click Start Video Creation. Please note that this process may take a few minutes. When the video is ready, click the Preview button. That's how RepliQ helps you customize videos quickly and effortlessly. You can also check your analytics here, such as videos generated within your dashboard. The total of impressions your video's been viewed. Total clicks on your call to action, CTA, buttons the percentage of each video watched by your target. That's it, guys. If you're looking to boost your cold email outreach with personalized AI-powered content, RepliQ is the perfect solution. It helps you craft unique emails that resonate with prospects, improving deliverability and response rates. Feel free to try it out using the link provided in the description below.